Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games from a Google Play Store on LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 but you can't seem to find them. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the games like Call of Duty, for example. Call of Duty. And right here we can see the icon for it, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back and here click on your profile picture, select the settings, enter family, then parental controls, and either disable them entirely or enter apps and games. Enter the PIN code and increase PG to 18 or 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if you go back, this tablet is always out of focus. And if you go back and look for Call of Duty again, it's right here and we can install or play it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.